Welcome! In this video, you're going to learn exactly how to create your very own Telegram channel from start to finish. Whether you're launching a community, a business page, or a personal broadcast space, this quick guide will help you set it up in just a few minutes. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account, and that your app is updated to the latest version for the best experience. Now, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see the edit icon, usually a pencil or square with a pencil symbol. Tap on it. This will bring up a few options for creating new items inside Telegram. From the menu that opens, choose New Channel. This is the place where you can share messages, media, and updates with your subscribers. Once you tap Create Channel, you'll move on to the Setup screen. Here, you'll be asked to give your channel a name. This is what your audience will see first, so choose something clear and memorable. You also have the option to add a short description. It's not required, but adding one helps people understand what your channel is about and why they should join. After that, you'll choose your channel type. Select Public if you want anyone on Telegram to find and follow your channel. Then, set your unique channel link. This is the URL that people can use to access your channel directly, so try to make it simple and easy to remember. Once you've chosen your link, review your settings, and when everything looks perfect, tap Confirm. Congratulations, your Telegram channel is now live. From here, you can start inviting people, posting updates, sharing media, and building your community. Telegram channels are a powerful way to connect with an audience, share knowledge, or promote your brand. The best part is, you're in complete control of what gets shared and how often. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a channel on Telegram in the easiest and most updated way.